Hey guys, in today's video we're going to check out this robot pool cleaner, so let's dive in. To get it started, we'll do a quick unboxing. You have some instructions, the little hook to get it out. You also have the charger, and then you have the pool cleaner itself, which is pretty large, so you'll make sure you're careful once you unload this, and you can just even keep it inside this little styrofoam at the very beginning. All right, so a couple of just initial reactions. I like the size of it. Feels really heavy duty and looks like a tank, which is nice, but really cool. I like, again, these options down here. I like the little wheels on this. That's nice. Also, it has these features up here. It has like a standard mode. So if you just have to clean your pool, whatever you have, you can clean your pool. It's going to clean everything. You have just a floor mode. So again, it's just going to sweep the floor. And then you also have like a weekday mode. So you can actually control it for when you want it to do that. And that's really nice. But I like the handle up here. It's really strong and heavy duty. On the front, you can see you press down, pull this up. You got your filter here. And I'll show you what this looks like after it cleans here in just a moment. But close that back up. And then you also have the charger right here. Again, you unscrew this. Unscrew it there. Plug it in, and then you'll need to make sure you screw this back in before you use it. Boom. And there you go. So really cool, really easy. It does have the instructions right here, so we're going to follow those instructions. Plug it in the pool, see how it does. So to get started, you want to hit the on mode, and then you'll hit just the standard run time mode. And what the lights will do is actually give you a little indication that it is ready. And once it says it's ready, then you can go ahead and pick it up and put it into your pool. And what it will do is sit here just for a minute or so before it actually runs. It's just getting acclimated to the water and making sure everything is prepped and ready. I do like these lights here on the front of this tank because a lot of mine that I have used in the past don't have lights or don't really have indicators. And so sometimes you don't really know if it's working or what's happening. But this is nice because it's letting you know that all of these things are working. And again, it's just getting acclimated. And then after about a minute or two, it will begin moving. And as you can see right now, our pool is pretty dirty. We've had it up for a few days. And again, leaves have just started falling in. It's just gotten dirty. So it is time to go ahead and get it clean. So we want to test this thing out and see how well it works. It is nice because it will move in all the different directions. It'll also go up and clean the sides of your pool. So if you have an in-ground pool, it will do that, and also an above-ground pool as well, kind of clean everything, which is really nice. And again, we'll let this run and see how well it will do. It is nice because it will run for about 150 minutes on a full charge. This one wasn't fully charged, but we'll see how much it will pick up just in the little bit of time we're going to let it run. But as you can see, it's already starting to grab some of these larger items. And another thing, it will run over some toys and other things like that. We left some flippers and snorkels and different things like that in the pool just to make sure that it wouldn't get clogged on these and it would be able to run over them. And so far it's done a really good job being able to run over each one, but then only picking up the leaves and other debris and other stuff like that. But after about 45 minutes of it running, you can see this is what happened with our pool. And so I was actually super surprised that it was able to grab all of this stuff just in one 45-minute session. So again, what will happen is once it's done, it will dock onto the side. And so then you'll need to grab your hook. And it actually came with a hook, which you might need a stick. You'll grab the hook and pull the entire piece out of the pool. This is one small con for this item. It is pretty heavy. So if you're not able to pick this item up or to get it out of the pool, that could be a problem for you in the future. But I personally really like this size and think they have done a great job in the past. All right, let's see what's in here. Got some limbs already. Stuff already on the top. You could, in here, there's even a little bit of sand. See some of the sand? I don't know if you can even see that, but some small fine particles are kind of in there. But you got this option right here. It actually has a, oh, look at that. Good grief. Even got one of my kids' toys. But you got that filter. That one slides out, and then you have the larger filter as well. I mean, look at that. That's crazy. So once you've dumped all the debris and leaves and other things like that out of your filters, you want to go ahead and wash these off. And it is recommended that you do this each and every time you wash and clean your pool. So you want to make sure you just clean out both of these filters. And this is a super nice addition. I really like having the larger and the smaller filter as well. I've used a few of these and they've just had like the larger filter, so it is nice to have the one that can grab sand and other small particles like that. So definitely a great option for that one. I think it's a really cool option, again, that you're able to just grab these two little baskets and then rinse them off. And again, all you have to do is rinse these off, which is super easy. Just grab your little water hose and you can clean these right off. Then once you've got them pretty clean, you just go ahead and put these two back together. Make sure they lock in there pretty nice. You're going to pop the edge back on there, and then you could put them back into the vacuum. And again, really easy to do. Just slide this right back in and it will be ready to go for next time. But overall, I was pleasantly surprised with this item. It has worked really well, and as you saw, it cleaned up our pool on the first try, which is really nice. It is super heavy duty, which is really cool. It also ran for a pretty long time the second time that we have used it. Now, I can't say anything about the battery life or longevity because I've only used it a couple times, but from the one time I have used it, it has worked really well. So I do recommend this item, and I will have a link down below where you can go check it out and see if it's something that you would enjoy as well. Please let me know if you have any questions or if you have used this in the past and it's worked for you. And thanks so much for watching. You can check out another video here for other pool vacuums, and I'll see you in the next one.